Hey guys, I'm Angela Braniff. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little before and after makeover of our guest bathroom downstairs. This is kind of going to be part of a new series that I'm sharing, just sort of room by room as we go through the house. I did share an original home tour. God bless my husband. I love him to pieces. He really tried his best, but the filming was mostly of my face and not the actual house. So now that we're here living in it though, as I'm going through and doing different rooms, I'm sharing with you guys sort of what we've done. So I've already shared a tour of this space, our homeschool family room hangout area, and kind of shared this space with you guys. It is an ever evolving project, but I've shared that already. And then today's video, I'm going to do the bathroom, the guest bathroom downstairs that is also our laundry room. So it is a multi-purpose room. So that's what this video is going to be about. And then I'll show you guys a little bit of footage of the next project that we're going to be tackling. And it's just all going to be part of a series, sort of a before and after makeover of different areas of our home series as we slowly go through this process now that we've moved in. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's project, which is the guest bathroom and laundry room.
All right, so this is a little before look. As you can see, it was just a catch-all for all the things. We're still getting settled in this house, so we have to kind of figure out where things go, but it was quite the mess beforehand. But it was a very intense red color, which was not really my thing. So I was excited to finally get in here and paint this and make it work for us in more of a functional way. I'm going to start by basically just taking everything out of the bathroom as much as I can, empty it. I'm going to obviously leave the washer and dryer and stuff, but I'm just going to empty it from everything that is piled up and stacked up. All right, now I'm going to go around and remove all of the old hardware, different things like the toilet paper holder and the towel holder and the old light fixtures, just everything that I'm planning on replacing with something new. I'm going to go ahead and remove the old one. Also, all of the outlet covers for all the different light switches and electrical outlets in the bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and remove those so I can begin painting. Before I start painting, I'm going to go around and patch some of these areas in the wall where I pulled things off. So I'll just apply this putty and let it dry, and then I'll come back and sand it off before I start actually painting the wall. All right, so now I'm going to go around with some primer. I bought a Benjamin Moore paint product that I was told would very likely cover over this without doing a primer, but I didn't want to have to end up going back and buying more of the Benjamin Moore paint, so I decided to go ahead and do a coat of primer around the bathroom just to cover over this red because it is so dark and so intense. I just didn't want to risk it. All right, so here you can see what the bathroom looks like with one coat of the primer, just kind of doing the trim and one coat of the primer. I did go back and do a second coat over this as well because I just wanted to really make sure it was covered.
All right, so it's time to start putting on the blue paint. This is a Benjamin Moore paint, and the color I believe is called like French blue. I'll look it up and make sure to list it in the description box, but I'm gonna start putting this on, and I've still got to do the trim paint.
Now that she's leaving, I kinda wish that she would stay. And I know I drove you crazy. Sometimes you'd even hate me. But baby, I thought we had something. Was I wrong? Was it nothing? Was it just in my head? I once loved a girl. There was a time she loved me too. Oh, man, life is...
All right, so now I'm gonna start working on installing the shelves that I have for up here. Gotta change this light out. Got this cute little like farmhouse style. I did like a matte black for everything in here. So I'll link what I can down below in the description box. This is like a Rubbermaid shelving system from Home Depot. We'll see how this works. And then I've got to replace the light fixture up there. And then I've got all the hardware to go in here. This is again matte black. This is from Lowe's. This is Allen and Roth. But these are all matte black things. I might not put all of this up because this is just a half bath. I don't know that I need all the towel bars and everything. So we'll see.
I thought we had some...
What you don't see here is that while I was working on changing out this light, my 3-year-old daughter came around the corner, and I guess she saw that Mommy was trying to work in the dark and thought she would help me out and flip the light switch on, and I didn't see her do it. So when I went to connect the wires, I got a lovely shock. So they don't tell you about that in the parenting book, when your 3-year-old tries to kill you by shocking you.
Natural picture, and it hurts real bad. Oh.
Haha, holy cow. That.
Yeah, those are those daylight, like 3,000 lumens daylight ones.
So we're definitely gonna want a lighter light in here.
Oh, I can't see you right now. I've got the white spot over your head.
Well, holy. I can't even show them the light. Okay, well, and I've got to touch up paint there because the footprint of that box is smaller, so bummer. Next up, I'm gonna change out this guy for this guy. Light number 2 is up. All right, now I'm gonna put the toilet paper holder. The one that they had here before really like just sort of ripped up and destroyed this wall. Why is that? Get out of here, fly. So this is obviously, I probably should have patched this even more. I tried, but that was the best I could do. So I'm not going to use these spaces again because they're obviously weak spots in the wall. So I'm gonna put it kind of here, whoops, here, in hopes that when it's on and when there's toilet paper on the holder, it'll kind of block your view from that. You won't see it as much.
Boom. Boom.
Does toilet paper go over?
Oh no. Oh no.
Some people say, some people don't like this because then you sit down to get toilet paper and a spider comes out.
That makes sense.
I just keep mine like this, no spiders. All right, Sierra's helping with the installation of these. Oh, nice, thanks.
Yeah, we're working. This has already been leveled. and then I'm going to use the laser level
Okay.
to go across.
All right, and this is the finished product of the shelves up, and now I'm just going to put everything back and organize. So now we have the final product. I still have a lot more I want to do in here in terms of adding some little decoration items and organizing those shelves, maybe eventually getting some bins to put things inside of so that you're really just looking at pretty baskets instead of actual products on the shelf there. But we'll see, time will tell. Maybe it will just be easier to have things where I can just access them and grab them. But I'm really happy. This just took me a few days, working on it a little bit each day, getting the painting done and fixtures added and changed. I'm really happy with the result. I feel like it packs a big punch for not a ton of work. So I'm really pleased. And y'all know I couldn't not put my llama back up in the bathroom at this house as well.
All right, so that's it, guys. That is the before and after of my little mini. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the before and after of our little guest bathroom makeover that I did this weekend. I'm happy with it. Like I said, eventually I would like to change the tile in the floor, but I just don't want to go too crazy until we determine about building that laundry room off the back. And once we do that, I will probably have to figure out something to do with that area and maybe put some doors in and make it even more storage. We'll just kind of have to see how that works out. If you guys have any ideas for what I could do with that space once the washer and dryer are out of it, I would love to hear them. Maybe give me some good ideas of what I could potentially use that space for. But stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to be doing in kind of my renovation series is going to be a video about the pantry. So you'll see the current state of the pantry is just a catch-all for cleaning supplies and stuff. I want to get these brooms and mops and stuff sorted and get rid of some. The previous owners left us a lot of stuff, so some of it we don't need, so we'll probably donate or get rid of some of those items. And then this is going to become our new pantry. So stay tuned, because that's the next video to come, is turning this closet into our pantry. I'm really excited about that project, and hopefully I'll be able to get it done quickly as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.